So we have been sorting the camper van and giving it a full restoration. Sadly, because I've had this spinal cord injury, I've not been able to help Pete. We started doing the camper van restoration just before COVID, and my partner Pete was living in Redditch at the time, and we had it at a garage there. They were doing a great job, and then unfortunately, of course, COVID struck, and in the grand scheme of things, not finishing a camper van restoration isn't too big a deal, is it, considering what happened to so many people, of course. But it was in a garage that sadly closed down. The guy in charge of the business actually was able to get it to a friend of his who paint sprayed it for us. Pete and I have been doing the van. Pete's done an amazing job on rewiring the whole van. I helped with putting the silver stuff that you can see. It's kind of both insulation and a bit of sound deadening. And I helped with covering the panels and deciding which part of the floor we're going to go where. And yes, somebody did comment that the kitchen is a little bit on the short side. Totally agree, it is. But we're going to have a kind of storage cupboard built, so it won't look as short then. And Pete's done all of this, covered this. I mean, it just looks absolutely incredible. He's done the most amazing job. So there is going to be something in that gap, little storage unit. And yeah, that's what it looks like at the moment. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to go on some adventures in Charlie, the camper van. Now, sadly, with my spinal cord injury, I'm not able to help Pete as much as I would like to. If you want to know more about that, I'll leave a link in the description. So pop down and have a look. I'm not going to go into it now, but basically it's a spinal cavernova. It's a very rare injury and it ruptured and has caused a lot of pain, a lot of issues with my legs. But yeah, if you'd like to follow the camper van and its full restoration, then please pop down and subscribe. That would be amazing. There'll be another video out on Monday, and it's a vlog of somewhere really amazing that I think you'll want to see. So yeah, subscribe and you won't miss it. Cheers, bye bye.